Hello everyone, my name is Tyler, and today we're going to go over how to replace the sheet cutter blade and the contour cut blade on the Roland VG2. So we'll go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and go into the menu here. So you're going to go menu, get to the sub menu here, maintenance, and then we're looking for the one that says replace knife. Go ahead and enter. Then we'll open this front cover, and first we're going to replace the contour cut blade. So how we'll do that is just loosen this screw here, which will allow this to slide out, and then we can just take the blade straight out of its holder. So to remove the blade, all you're going to do is push this pin. You can see the blade slides out, and then you just pull the blade out of the bottom from there. So once you get your new blade, you're just going to slide it in. There's actually a magnet, so you'll just slide it in until it clicks like it does there, and then you're all set, and you can go ahead and put it back in the printer. Once you've replaced the blade, you can go ahead and put it back. So you're just going to slide it in, close this down, and tighten it down here. What you want to do is make sure that the blade holder is below this clamp right there. Now, if you want to replace the sheet cutter blade, well, we're going to go through the same steps where we go through the menu, sub-menu, and replace blade. The only difference is we're just going to loosen this screw until it comes all the way out. And from here, we'll just be able to take the blade out of the unit. So to install a new blade, what you're going to do is this is the screw that we took off of the printer. You're just going to line up the semicircle with your blade on the circle that's on the back of this blade holder here. So there's a magnet to hold it in place. Once you get that, all you're going to do is just gently slide this back into the printer until it kind of locks into place like it does there. And then all you can do is screw this piece in here, and you should be good to go. And that is how you'll change the contour cut blade and the sheet cut blade for the Roland VG2. So pretty simple process, doesn't take a lot of time, and you should be able to do it in a couple of minutes. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this equipment or any other equipment that you see in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. If you need support, you can call us here at Wensco. So thanks for watching.